Shenzhen QXTC Electronic Company Limited was established in March 2013. Self-run brand BrandNP work on R&D, production, and sales of wireless charging products. The core team of the company consists of three major departments: research department, design department, sales department, which has a good reputation and high visibility within the industry. Shenzhen QXTC Electronic Company Limited has 140 employees and covers a factory of 2,500 square meters. Our annual production capacity is 2,100,000 pieces per year. Our main products are mobile phone wireless charger. We are studying the wireless charger clock, wireless charger desk lamp, wireless charger speaker, wireless charger home furnishing, which extends to all areas of life. Quality control and service throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. We have continuously tried to improve product quality and have produced 30 kinds of wireless chargers with a daring management idea, absorbing international advanced design idea and combining professional production experience. Our products are exported to North America and European countries. As a result of outstanding quality and customer service, we have gained a high reputation from the world. Shenzhen QXTC Electronic Company Limited follows the strategic partnership and regard it as a cooperative model. Provide customers with professional product knowledge, marketing, customized products, and development a series of services. Now we're sincerely seeking partners, good faith cooperation, and seek common development. Writing a new chapter in high-tech electronics.
Shenzhen QXTC Electronic Limited Company is a professional manufacturer of mobile phone wireless charger. We have research and design team. We have ability to provide OEM and ODM service. Welcome to contact us freely.